Warren Buffett, Rakesh Jujunwala, Radhakrishna Damani, all these market guru has created 98% of the wealth through long-term investing. And that is what you have to understand, guys. If you really want to create a massive wealth, long-term investing is the best method. That is nothing but a value and growth investing. Because over the time, only wealth is created. Business take normally time to grow. You cannot we get double, triple money within 1 month, 2 months. The problem with retail investors, they run behind short-term trading, intraday derivatives, okay, swing trading to create wealth within a short period of time, but normally does not happen. They lose money. So guys, if you really want to create wealth, go long-term, create wealth over the time, and that is what I'm going to show you in my upcoming master class. I'm going to show you 21 golden rules which will really help you to follow a step-by-step framework. Whether you are a new investor or you are a seasoned investor, you are there in this market over the time, but somehow you do not have a great portfolio. I'm going to tell you how to create a great portfolio, how to select a multi-bagger stock, and how to have a right mindset. So do attend my session, guys, in this workshop, and I'm going to give you 21 golden rules which will change your life. So I'll see you soon in that workshop.